Embracing 2025, Innovating for a Green Future. Dear Pilot community, friends, and supporters, Happy New Year! In 2024, we marked a significant milestone as it was the first year since Pilot was listed in Beijing Stock Exchange. Throughout this year, our team faced a complex and evolving external environment filled with numerous challenges. Despite these odds, every of our colleagues stayed together, demonstrating remarkable resilience and commitment to our strategy of focusing on key customers, large channels, new energy, and new teams. The dedication and hard work of each Pilot member have been the driving force behind our progress. We sincerely appreciate your efforts in staying true to our original mission and striving for stability and growth in this unpredictable market. Thank you for your unwavering commitment to our shared goals, from EMS 1.0 to 2.0, and now 3.0. Pilot has continuously evolved, advancing from power monitoring, billing, and energy-saving controls to carbon management systems for key industries, and further to distributed energy solutions that combine integrated source grid load with storage. Throughout this journey, we have stayed focused on meeting our customers' needs, constantly upgrading and innovating in our products, solutions, and services. The venues of the Paris Olympics showcase the excellence of Pilot's products. To date, our solutions have been deployed in over 90 countries and regions around the world. Whether in the freezing cold of Northern Europe or the bright sunshine of Africa, we are opening doors across the globe and contributing Pilot's expertise to the worldwide shift toward green energy. Looking at our performance of 2024, we can only give ourselves a passing grade. There's still a significant gap between us and the industry's best. But at Pilot, we're clear-eyed about the path forward. The key to navigating these challenges is continuous reflection, constant innovation, and staying focused on what matters most, taking on the tough but right challenges. By working with the strategic customers and driving innovation together, we're confident we can unlock success and thrive through every cycle. Looking ahead to 2025, we face both challenges and opportunities, but we are full of confidence. We will embrace simplicity by focusing on specialization and innovation, countering market saturation with a commitment to maximizing sales while minimizing costs. With a steadfast determination, we will traverse great distances to deepen our presence in overseas markets. At the same time, we will uphold a spirit of openness and collaboration, guided by the belief that we celebrate victory together and support each other in adversity. Together with all Pilot team members, valued partners, and customers, we will overcome any challenges that come our way. Green and high-quality development is the call of the times, and leaving our mark in this historical moment is Pilot's mission. Finally, we extend our highest respect to every companion on this journey, and the families who provide their unwavering support. Let us set out again hand in hand and create a greener future with Pilot wisdom.